Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. And here's how it's done. 1. Select an entire column quickly. Click any cell in the column and press Ctrl plus space to select the whole column instantly. Handy for deleting or formatting. 2. Undo an action. Press Command plus Z to reverse your last change. For example, if you delete a column by mistake, just hit Command plus Z to restore it. 3. Search within your sheet. Press Command plus F and type in what you are looking for. Use the arrows in the search bar to jump between matches. 4. Copy and paste. Command plus C to copy. Command plus V to paste includes formulas. To paste only values, no formulas, use Command plus Shift plus V. 5. Formatting shortcuts. Bold, Command plus B. Italic, Command plus I. Underline, Command plus U. Strike through, Command plus Shift plus X. Align center, Command plus Shift plus E. Align left, Command plus Shift plus L. Align right, Command plus Shift plus R. 6. Navigation shortcuts. Move to start of a row. Function plus left arrow. Move to start of the sheet. Command plus Fn plus left arrow. Select everything in the sheet. Command plus A. 7. Insert a hyperlink. Select your text or cell and press Command plus K. Then enter the link or document you want to connect to. And that is everything you know about how to use keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.